Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we bring you the latest on electric vehicles and the automotive industry. The luxury electric vehicle market is on a roll, with sales expected to soar over the next decade. By 2034, this market is projected to reach a staggering $1.04 trillion, reflecting a compound annual growth rate of 20%. That's right, folks, the market for high-end EVs is about to get a whole lot bigger. Now, what's driving this growth? Well, it all comes down to one thing: environmental consciousness. As governments around the world tighten emissions regulations, consumers are turning to luxury electric vehicles as a way to reduce their carbon footprint. And it's not just the eco-friendliness that's attracting buyers. These cars are also packed with cutting-edge tech features like extended range capabilities and personalized AI features. You'll find the likes of Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Tesla, and Lucid Motors at the forefront of this movement. But what's interesting is that it's not just about the big players in the industry. We're seeing smaller automakers pushing the boundaries of luxury EVs with ultra-luxurious models like Rolls-Royce and Bentley. So, where are these high-end electric vehicles gaining traction? Well, it's not just Europe, and the US. China is also playing a significant role in driving sales, while the Middle East is integrating EVs into its luxury fleets. And get this, brand partnerships with premium hotels and residential sectors are making exclusive EV ownership experiences a reality. But here's the thing, we're not just talking about incremental improvements to existing vehicles. No, these next-generation solid-state batteries will significantly improve charging times and vehicle range, while over-the-air updates will further personalize the driving experience. It's going to be a game-changer for luxury car owners. And that's not all. The global market is expected to pioneer innovations like vehicle-to-grid integration and predictive maintenance powered by AI. We'll also see interior experiences reminiscent of luxury air travel, talk about the ultimate in comfort and convenience. Now we know what you're thinking. Where are these trends happening? Southeast Asia and Latin America are developing infrastructure to support this premium segment, expanding the global luxury electric corridor. The market's expected growth will be fueled by a broad spectrum of model options, advancements in global infrastructure, and enhancements in vehicle range. And let me tell you, companies are committing to carbon-neutral operations and sustainable material use as part of their core branding. So, that's it for today on Electro Drive News. The luxury electric vehicle market is about to get a whole lot bigger, with sales projected to reach $1.04 trillion by 2034. We'll keep an eye on this trend and bring you the latest updates from the automotive world. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.